Welcome to my channel. Ring doorbell flashing blue, how to fix. Ensure the battery is charged. A low battery can cause connectivity issues. Launch the Ring app on your smartphone to access device settings. Tap on your Ring doorbell to open its settings for troubleshooting. Go to Device Settings, change Wi-Fi network to reconfigure the connection. Press the Setup button on the device to initiate Wi-Fi setup mode if needed. Follow the prompts in the app to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Ensure the doorbell is within a good range of your router to avoid signal issues. Press and hold the reset button on the back for 15 seconds to reset the device. In the app, check for any firmware updates and install them to improve functionality. Thank you for watching.